Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gibraltar, where the local time is 2:05 in the afternoon. That's 1 hour ahead of the time in the United Kingdom. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive telephone calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved around during the flight and could fall out and cause injury. Before you leave us today, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated smoking area.